Today on Thai Caliente, we're going to be making a quick and easy skillet shrimp fajitas. Hey everyone, I'm Renee and welcome back to my channel, Thai Caliente. Today's episode, I'm going to be making a super easy and delicious skillet shrimp fajitas. So they're perfect for any taco night, and the dish actually comes together pretty quickly and you don't need a lot of ingredients. So I'll show you guys how I make my homemade fajita slash taco seasoning. For the fajita seasoning, go ahead and mix 2 teaspoons of chili powder into a bowl. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of paprika and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Then 1 teaspoon of onion powder, as well as 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, as well as some freshly ground black pepper. Go ahead and give everything a good stir, and there you have your fajita seasoning. In a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat, go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of oil and your sliced onions and bell peppers. We're going to go ahead and saute these till they soften a bit and get a nice color to them. So once they've developed some caramelization, go ahead and remove them from the pan and set them aside. Then we're going to get our shrimp that's been peeled and deveined. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil as well as the fajita seasoning that we just made. Go ahead and give everything a good stir to get all the shrimp coated evenly with the seasoning. In that same cast iron skillet, we're gonna go ahead and add our shrimp. I had to do 2 different batches to cook all of the shrimp. Once they start to turn slightly pink, that's when you want to go ahead and flip them over. It's really only going to take about 2 minutes per each side for the shrimp to cook. Remove all the shrimp and then go ahead and cook your remaining shrimp. Once all the shrimp has done cooking, go ahead and add your peppers and onions back to the skillet. At this point, we can go ahead and turn the heat off since we are done cooking. This is just for presentation purposes. So I am laying the shrimp on top, and then I'm going to serve the shrimp fajitas with some warmed flour tortillas. I'm just putting a little bit of the peppers and onions on the bottom and then a couple pieces of shrimp on top. You can remove the tails of the shrimp if you like. I think they look prettier with the tails on, but they do make it a little bit more difficult to eat with the tails on. And then I'm also going to smash up some avocado with a little bit of lime and salt to kind of top it as a guacamole. If you want your fajitas spicy, you could do some diced pepper into the guacamole or some spicy salsa. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them below, and the full recipe can be found on ThaiCaliente.com. Have a great day. Bye.